Kendari Bay in southeast Sulawesi is not only a beautiful coastal area, but also a lifeline for local communities. People here depend on it for fishing, transport, and tourism. But like many coastal waters, Kendari Bay is under threat from pollution. The biggest concern is heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and chromium, which can stay in the water for a long time and harm both marine life and people. A research team led by Professor Armid from Halu, Oleo University wanted to know exactly how much of these metals are in the bay and where they are coming from. To find out, they collected samples from 32 different locations, starting from the Wanggu River, moving through the estuary and inner bay, past the busy port areas, and out to the offshore waters near Bokori Island. In the laboratory, they used high-tech instruments that can detect even the tiniest traces of metals in water. This allowed the team to build a detailed picture of how pollution is spread across the bay. The results were clear. Lead was found to be highest in the Wanggu River, but its levels dropped near the estuary, probably because mangrove trees helped absorb it. In the inner bay, lead rose again slightly. Meanwhile, cadmium and chromium were not very high in the river, but much higher offshore, most likely linked to boat traffic, fishing activities, and tourism near Bokori Island. Here's the important part. The levels of these metals were still below Indonesia's official seawater quality standards. That means technically, the water is considered safe. But when compared with natural ocean levels, the picture changes. The study found that lead in Kendari Bay is more than 200 times higher than in clean ocean water. This shows the bay is already significantly polluted, even if it passes national standards. So, where is this pollution coming from? The study points to several sources. Mining waste from upstream districts, household and urban runoff carried by the Wanggu River, dust and emissions from the city that settle into the bay, and offshore activities such as fishing and tourism. Professor Armid and his team emphasize that protecting Kendari Bay means more than just meeting the law. It requires reducing pollution at its sources, cleaning up river inflows, managing mining waste more responsibly, and monitoring offshore activities. If action is taken now, Kendari Bay can remain healthy, its marine life can be preserved, and safe waters can be secured for the communities who depend on it every day.